Unlocking productivity, understanding hotkeys. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of technology and learn about a term that can greatly enhance your efficiency while working on a computer. Yes, you've guessed it right, we're talking about hotkeys. Stay tuned as we unravel what they are, how they work, and why they are so important. Hotkeys, also known as keyboard shortcuts, are a combination of keys that, when pressed together or in sequence, perform a specific function or command within a software or operating system, much quicker than using a mouse or navigating through menus. Hotkeys can be a single key, or a combination of keys, and are a vital part of making your workflow more efficient. To better understand hotkeys, let's go through some common examples. Ctrl+C. This hotkey is used for copying the selected text or object. Ctrl+V. This allows you to paste the copied or cut text or object. Alt+Tab. This combination lets you switch between open programs. These are just a few examples, and there are numerous other hotkeys that serve various purposes depending on the software or operating system you are using. Did you know that you can create your own hotkeys? Yes, many software and operating systems allow users to set up custom hotkeys for specific functions or commands. This can be particularly useful if there's a function you use frequently that doesn't have a default hotkey. Mastering hotkeys can take a bit of practice, but here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Start with the basics. Focus on learning the most common hotkeys first. 2. Practice consistently. The more you use hotkeys, the more they will become second nature. 3. Create a cheat sheet. Having a list of hotkeys can be a handy reference until you memorize them. And that wraps up our journey into the world of hotkeys. We hope this video has shed light on what hotkeys are, how they work, and how they can make your digital life more efficient. Don't forget to practice, and soon you'll be a hotkey master. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.